Good morning, friends, and happy Sunday. Today I'll be sharing my cozy fall morning routine, which will be the things that I do every morning to maintain my house. I'm also going to show you guys the perfect fall simmer pot recipe to have your house smelling like fall. So the first thing I do every morning after getting out of the bed and going to the bathroom is opening the blinds in the house to let the natural sunlight in. I love how it feels like it's waking up the house, and I'm also saving money on my electric bill by using our natural resources like the sunlight instead of turning on all the lights in the house. After that, I always make my bed. I really feel like making your bed every day is the most important part of your day, and it really sets the tone for how things are going to go for the rest of the day. There's nothing better than coming home to an already made bed, you guys. You are my sunshine. You are my sunshine. So I don't always eat breakfast every morning, but when I do, avocado toast is my favorite go-to breakfast. Not only is it healthy, but it is so filling, you guys. I promise sometimes I'm not even hungry by lunchtime. It's so good. Finally be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give what I was so another important step in my morning routine is unloading the dishwasher. For my night routine, I try to start the dishwasher every night or at least every other night, and then the morning I like to unload it so that throughout the day we can just put the dishes into the dishwasher and keep the sink free of dishes. I feel like this really helps maintain your kitchen. So we had a ton of dishes the night before, which is why there are still some dishes left in the sink. So after I empty out this dishwasher and put these dishes away, I'll then go ahead and rinse off the dishes that are in the sink and get those loaded in the dishwasher for the day. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame burn out for a while. Stay in the morning. Let me know in the comments below if you have a morning routine that you follow, or if there's anything that you like to do every day to maintain your house. I feel like the key to maintaining your morning routine is to keep it pretty simple. Like you guys have already seen, my morning routine consists of opening the blinds, making the bed, unloading the dishwasher, and you'll see later on in the video that we're going to do one load of laundry. All of these tasks takes us about 5 minutes or less, and they really make a big difference in the house every morning. I see you climbing, been trying to find your way. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in LA, babe, come jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline with me.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane.
So I'm using the Barkeeper's Friend to give the sink a good scrub down. It's going to give us that nice shiny look that we all love when it comes to our kitchen sinks. And then I'm going to take some cinnamon essential oil and drop it down the drain to give the kitchen a nice fall scent. I usually do the lemon just to give it a nice clean scent, but I figured this is our cozy fall morning routines, so why not use some cinnamon today?
Promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like the motherfucking man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can.
I almost forgot this cake stand, so I'm just gonna wipe it down now. Lynn and I actually made some homemade strawberry muffins the day before, and you guys, they were so good. I'll actually show you a close-up of them in the video that we made. You guys, I enjoyed this moment so much because I truly like to bake. I don't do it that often simply because I'll eat it all, but she really wanted to make these two, and it was a great memory. Alright, so moving on to the thing I was most excited to do today, which is the fall simmer pot or stovetop potpourri. For this recipe, I'm using orange slices, apple slices, cinnamon, and nutmeg. And you guys, I promise this is the perfect combination to have your house smelling like fall. I was really surprised at how powerful these 4 ingredients were, and I cannot wait to incorporate other fruits and spices to make more of these. I was already thinking how great the house would smell with lemons, you guys, on a Sunday after you just finish cleaning the house. I can't wait, and I think that'll be my next one.
And your words just stop, don't hold me back, don't hold me back.
Now that we have everything prepped, I have some boiling water, and I'm going to put all of the ingredients into the boiling water, continue to boil it for a few minutes, and then we're going to turn the stove to simmer and just let all of the ingredients simmer and enjoy the smell in the house. Alright, so the last thing I do every day is at least 1 load of laundry. Luckily, my husband had already folded some clothes, so I'm going to put that away now. But I try to do at least 1 load of laundry a day just so that the laundry room does not get all backed up with tons of loads to wash at one time.
It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself feel warmer when you're near. Whenever you're near.
I have really simplified my laundry routine and the products that I use to wash our clothes and towels. Right now, I only use Tide laundry detergent, distilled white vinegar, and OxyClean.
And give me a piece of your mind, just for a while. Stay by my side. I'm hoping for some brighter days, 'cause I'm falling in the snow, it's getting knee deep. You make some kind of fire within me.
So that's it for this video, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed my cozy fall morning routine along with the fall simmer pot recipe. If you guys try it, let me know in the comments below, and I cannot wait to see you guys in a brand new video. Bye!
I wanna be by your side.